Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, the narcissist bullshit texting trap. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. They know exactly how to fuck up your day, piss you off, get you so anxious and stressed out while you at work, but worse, use not having to hear their voice as a way to gaslight you in arguments for later that, you know, they'll eventually act like weren't really a big deal. And anytime you gotta worry about the tone of a text message, hear your phone buzz and immediately get anxiety, receive short ass answers, when they get mad it took you too long to answer their fucking text, blow you off, ignore you and leave you on red, you, my friend, are someplace you don't fucking belong. You've also found a place where the narcissist plays their best game, you know, intentionally acting like they don't know how to communicate. See, it's already bad enough they don't want to talk like two consenting adults face to face. Now, you are left with the ambiguity of a motherfucker who is committed to have you misinterpret their messages. Somebody who is committed to acting like you're making things a big deal right now, and they didn't mean it that way. And when you confront them about things later, now you get the silent treatment. Now you get a toddler trapped in an adult's body acting like they're mad because they couldn't get a toy from the fucking store. But this is worse than what you could even imagine. See, what a narcissist needs out of this texting trap is to get you addicted to chaos. And once they do that, shit, we now become a conduit to their supply. We now feed into petty argument. We now get on edge when we don't hear back. And we get addicted to missing those same raggedy ass messages when we finally wake our ass up and leave one day and realize that this was never a fucking place we belong. For so long we get conditioned to the dysfunction and not realize why you keep checking your phone, waiting for an update, a post, a phone call yelling at you. That was never love, little moccasin. That was trauma. It was emotional abuse in its highest and best form. And it was also a way to get you addicted to their unpredictable ass behavior. And that ain't what you signed up for. You wanted meaningful and long-lasting relationship or marriage that poured into you. One that made you better, healthier, happier. Not one that caused your nervous system to be dysregulated every single day. Anxiety to the fucking moon, or you questioning of your own worth coming from someone who was insecure, self-serving, and a self-righteous asshole. What you deserved was someone who could create a safe space, who could communicate transparently, didn't talk you down all the time, and instead was a light in the fucking darkness, spoke life into you when you needed it, but you won't ever get that shit from someone who loves the sound of their own voice, chaos, confusion, and manipulation more than they love their damn selves. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.